Hey, how's it going, YouTube? So here's my massive Amazon unboxing number 20. So I was hoping my wife would help me today, but she decided not to after all. So let's get started. So we make this a quick video. First one is, what is this? Oh, okay, cool. So this is an Facebook ad. Here, so I'll open it from the back side. But this one's kind of like the glass one I got previously, but this one is made out of straight bamboo, I guess. Let's see. Taped it up really nice. Got a lot of these now, but I'm still collecting more. So, oh man, it's dented right here. Well, that sucks. All right, so let's see how the construction. Okay, it's okay. A little thin on that side. This one's stainless steel, holds a lot of tea. Inside looks nice, and as you can tell, the outside is bamboo. So not bad. I mean, minus this little dent here. That sucks. All right. Let me open a box for trash. Need a trash box here. So I did get about 3 direct ships today. So it'll be a surprise for you and me on what I got. So this one here is from a Facebook group that I'm in. It's a Christmas tree topper. I didn't put up my Christmas tree yet, but I will put one up soon. So this one should be the gold color. I don't know what. All right, let's open it and see what color we got here. Hope it's gold. Okay, it's gold. So the cool thing is this, you know, of course, it's a tree topper, but then there's a little light projection that comes out. They don't even have a picture of it. But I think it's something kind of like this, but it's in like a gold color. But I guess I'll see once I put it up. So this is my only yellow box. This is a Liberty Mutual Insurance. So I guess they're paying to get ads on their boxes now, I guess. Alright, so this one was a Facebook seller. He was actually just giving these out for free. No review. So I got another microphone. My kids and my wife love this. This microphone, they say it's not as loud, and then the sound's directed more downwards, so they don't really enjoy that as much, I guess, because they can't hear themselves. And this one is just some yoga fitness bands. Just helps you stretch. Nothing too cool. That was a Facebook ad. And this one was a Facebook seller. Was it? No, this was a Facebook seller, because they actually messaged me again for another set. So I have one for me. Oh no, this one, hopefully my kids could wear this. And then I have one coming in for my wife. Extra small, so it's a small, so 20-inch waist. So that should be about kid size. 20 inches, I don't know. But those are thermals. It's the top and bottom, but I think you get two packs of blacks. So you get 2 tops and 2 bottoms. They already refunded me, and then they offered me one for my wife's size, so I got one for her. So this is a giraffe die-cast toy kit. And it's sealed, okay. Guess let's unseal it. See anything cool. Okay, so it's in a bag. It's in a bag. I don't really feel like taking all this out. I'm gonna put it back in, but let's take out one. Yeah, I don't even recall what this was. All right, I'll take the whole thing out. Oh, so that's a weird toy, and that's it. Comes with 2 toys in a bag. Oh, like a little pop-up tent. That's cool, cute. Other than that, I don't think it does anything else. It kind of moves a little bit. Okay, well, I guess kids would destroy this in a little bit. But at least a useful bag. Maybe that's one of my free ships. Because I definitely don't remember ordering that thing. And so this is obviously a free, oh no, this one I ordered iPhone 11 Pro Max. Oh no, then this is a free ship. I did order one for my phone, iPhone X, the iPhone 10. But okay, cool. So now, free case for somebody. I definitely won't be getting one anytime soon. This sounds like pills. And it is. Pro Men. Designed for men's health. Oh, okay. This is from one of my Facebook ads. But I feel like if you get their pills, then they will give you better items afterwards. Because I've gotten some high-end items from them before. But then they stopped responding. I think because I haven't been buying like their cheaper low-end stuff. So this one's my case here. I'll put it on my phone later. But it's just a real thin iPhone 10 case. Feels pretty okay. Little loop for string. Okay. Well, I'll put that on later. So this one, I have no clue what it is, but it sure is heavy. I don't know, it's a bag of sand. Maybe some kind of workout thing. And it is, oh, okay, never mind. Oh, okay, I got this a while back. I guess I haven't opened it in a while. But these are just some journals. So I got this from my wife. You know, breathe, live, and eat. Which one would she use the most? So yeah, as you can tell, is each journal has at least, I think, 200 pages at least. I mean, you can see it's pretty thick. So you got 3 journals. So this is from a Facebook ad. It's either linked in my video 18 or 19. So let's go back and review them. And you'll see in the video descriptions or the comments that will link it. Okay, check my box, check it twice. This is some fairy lights, so I have to make sure the seller refunds. But just some fairy lights. This one's in color. You know, fairy lights. Alright, so this is a Facebook seller. I already know what this is. This is pretty obvious. So when you order these rain boots, you always have to kind of get a size bigger or almost 2 sizes bigger, but this one actually looks pretty darn big. But as you can see, it's a sparkly unicorn. Did I get the unicorn? I guess I did get the unicorn. Okay, well, the unicorn rain boots. And we're almost done with packagings. We got 1, 2, 3, 4 to go. How long is this video? 9 minutes, okay. Nice and short. This one was a Walmart seller. So now I'm getting some of these sellers that sells Walmart stuff and they ask for a review, but at least it's not as strict as Amazon. So these you guys should do a lot more and can do reviews faster without worrying about, you know, getting wiped. But yeah, it's just a cute little toy set. But of course, this is from a seller's group, so there won't be Facebook ads for Walmart reviews anytime soon. Oh, okay, so this is a free ship of a dog toy. How fun is that? Squeeze. And last one here. Oh no, two. Okay. So my free ships haven't been too cool this time around. So this one's a Facebook ad. This is for belly butter. And I probably just use that face cream. I guess for pregnant people to rub on their bellies to prevent stretch marks. But overall, it's just butter, coconut butter. So there's another brush from this company, and I've seen I've already gotten maybe 4 things from them. But yeah, they refund on time, real quick, and they have a lot of cool products. So this one is just a detangler brush, and I mean it's nice quality. It looks like bamboo handle. But yeah, simple brush. All right, so I think we'll stop this video here, and then I'll do a part 2 opening boxes.